Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Check your device clock and time zone because certificate validity depends on accurate dates. Next, clear the browser cache and open an incognito window to retry the site. This rules out stale assets. Once done, disable any antivirus HTTPS scanning and browser extensions momentarily to see if they intercept TLS. If the error disappears, re-enable items one at a time to identify the culprit. This isolates whether the problem is local or server-side. Now, dig deeper into TLS details. Use OpenSSL S Client Connect host 443 to view the certificate chain and note any hostname mismatch or expired cert. Make sure the server presents the full chain in correct order and confirm TLS versions and cipher suites are compatible with modern browsers. Also, check for SNI misconfiguration on multi-host servers. Meanwhile, test from a different network or disable proxies and VPNs, because intermediaries often break the handshake without obvious signs. To finish, update or replace any expired or misissued certificates, ensuring intermediates and subject alternative names are correct. Restart services after installing the chain. Then, update server TLS settings, enable TLS 1, 2 and 1, 3. Disable weak ciphers and confirm SNI is handled properly. Once done, retest from a clean client. If problems persist, capture TLS handshake logs on both client and server. This one troubleshooting tip reveals where the handshake aborts and points directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.